I found this door on Facebook Marketplace and it was finally time to put it to use. The first step was to remove my existing bathroom door. After measuring my new door, I purchased a 1x8 to act as my header. We leveled it off and bolted it to 4 studs. Securing the track was easy as the barn door kit I ordered from Amazon came with everything I needed. After the track was hung, we drilled 4 holes into the top of the door, attached the hanging brackets, and secured them with the included bolts. To finish it off, I added some privacy cling film since this is a bathroom after all. This was super easy to use as it bonds to glass with just water. Starting a big DIY can feel overwhelming, especially if you aren't organized. With the help of Milanote, you can plan your project, keep to a budget, get feedback on your mood board, and accomplish creating the room of your dreams. For me, that's a makeover of my outdated master bathroom. Milanote is a fantastic tool that combines the best parts of notebooks, pinboards, and documents into one easy-to-use platform. So, let's start planning out this bathroom. First, create a new board and give it a name. This will be the central hub for all your ideas and plans. Organize your board with notes and columns for different aspects of your project, like inspiration, to-do, and budget. Start by adding images of the before so anyone you share the board with will have an idea of what you're working with. Drag and drop images, save links, and jot down notes or just label it before. Next, begin gathering inspiration. Drag and drop images you found online, save links to products you want to buy, jot down notes of styles and designs that catch your eyes. Even add paint swatches that you're thinking of using in the space. Now, back to the main board. Create a list of materials you'll need and tasks you'll have to accomplish. From cleaning to replacing the electrical, jot down every detail. You can also add images and links to the specific products to keep your options organized. I decided to create another subboard for all the how-to videos I need to watch before starting my project. This will keep everything one click away when I need to re-watch a video in the middle of a DIY. I don't have to spend time searching the internet because I've already saved them all here. Budgeting is crucial. Create a budget table to track your estimated costs and actual expenses. This will help avoid overspending and make adjustments as needed. And there you have it, a complete project planner and mood board for this master bathroom mini makeover. With Milanote, you can visualize your dream space, stay organized, and ensure every detail is perfect. Now it's your turn to create a stunning room makeover with the help of Milanote. Sign up for a free Milanote account using the link in the description. Happy planning!
Bathrooms can become disheveled and disorganized, but today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my top bathroom hacks. So first up, bar of soap gets very messy on the counter. So I'm going to take my soap dish and I'm going to fill it with some River Rocks that I got at my local dollar store. Next up, I'm going to show you a cute way to dress up your toilet paper roll. So you're going to rip off one sheet and then 2 sheets that are attached together. And then you're going to take the end and you're going to just fold it into a triangle. So this is the very end piece that's still attached to our roll. And you can see here I've just folded it under. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to just very gently poke 2 holes. And then you're going to go ahead and with the one square that you ripped off, you're just going to fold it into a little roll here. And then with the 2 pieces that are still attached together, you're going to fold them over each other and then you're going to use your fingers to pinch them down into the middle and you're going to make a bow shape. Then you're going to take the piece that you took off and rolled up and you're going to wrap it around to make a bow and you're just going to slide it through those 2 holes that you ripped into the toilet paper and then wrap it around the back. Another sore spot in the bathroom is hand towels. So I just fold the towel over 2 times and then I'm going to flip it over and then I'm going to fold it the other way vertically. So I'm going to take these ends and I'm just going to fold them into the middle on each side. And then once I've done that, I'm going to fold the towel in half. And then what you'll see here is that I have a neat little pocket here and then I can lay this over my towel rack. Now for my washcloth, I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to fold it in half and then I'm going to fold it accordion style, and then this is going to make a nice little fan that's going to sit in the pocket. If you want to roll your washcloths like they do at a spa, I'm going to show you how to do that now. So you start with a square washcloth and you grab two of the pointy ends and you fold them into the middle, and then you flip it over and just fold it back 3/4 of the way, and then begin to roll your washcloth. And then when you'll see here, you have a little pocket here that you can tuck the tail into, and this holds them nice and tight.
When you are in the container aisle of the dollar store, pick up a couple of white wire shelves. Flip one shelf upside down and lay the second shelf on top, overlapping about 1/3 of the shelf. Now take some zip ties and connect the shelves together. Be sure to pull tight on the zip ties so the shelves are securely tied to each other. Remove the rubber tips from the ends of the shelves. Grab each arm on the shelves and bend them from their 90-degree angle to about a 45-degree angle. Next, give the entire shelf unit a coat of spray paint. This is the perfect shelf caddy for holding rolled up hand towels and washcloths. Grab a short glass container with a screw-on lid. Take a large marble and glue it to the center of the lid. Next, spray paint both the glass container and the screw-on lid. To style your new jar, take a small wood cutting board from the kitchen and use it as a tray to hold the jar and other beauty products. Head to the garden section, grab one of their metal French garden buckets. Give the entire bucket several light coats of overspray with some white spray paint. Take a black paint pen. Once you get a feel for how much pressure to apply, start to outline the bottom rim of the bucket with the paint pen. Let that dry, and then start to outline the lettering on the bucket. Once the letters have dried, outline the top rim of the bucket. Next, take some old drawer knobs and glue the knob to the bottom of the bucket. Style on a bathroom counter beside a sink by filling with hand soap and paper hand towels.